Welcome to your own private retreat. 2.5 acres of peaceful, park-like beauty in one of the area's most sought-after horse communities. This custom 2,200 square foot home is all about comfort, space, and southern charm, starting with the deep screen front porch overlooking your beautifully manicured yard. Surrounded by lush greenery and mature trees, every inch of this property feels like a quiet escape. Tucked away from the main home, you'll find an 800 square foot detached building, ideal for a creative studio, workshop, or future guest suite. Need more space? How about a 2,400 square foot man cave or pro-grade workshop, fully insulated with dual bay doors, its own electric meter, and a built-in car lift, ready for hobbies, storage, or a home-based business. Whether you're looking for peaceful living, serious workspace, or the freedom of wide open land, this one-of-a-kind property delivers. All that's missing is you.